for the channel. I just want to sort of, have your understanding on the kind of role which CNBC has played in your, professional journey, because we've been associated with the financial markets, financial services markets. Financial literacy has been an objective throughout these many years. What has been your takeaway in terms of the kind of work and your association with the channel?
So first of all, congratulations for completing 25 years of this leadership summit also, and my best wishes for a very bright future. CNBC, of course, as far as Indian economy is concerned, CNBC is playing such an important role, keeping everybody abreast of the latest development in the economy, not only in the Indian economy, in the world economy also. And being from banking and insurance industry, I have really been associated very closely with CNBC in particular, and after coming to insurance industry, the way CNBC is covering the insurance industry and your role, of course, has been wonderful. So my best wishes to you also.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words. And if I could ask you a couple of questions on the industry also. To start with, the premium growth that we've been seeing for the industry, for SBI Life, you have a very strong base effect that you're working on. When does that base effect sort of start reducing its reflection on the current year's numbers? And how do the numbers pan out for the second half of the year as far as the premium growth itself is concerned?
So the growth of SBI Life has always been very strong. So to say that the base effect will go away, it will not be happening. The current growth rate, of course, is a bit lower than what we have been expecting and what we have been experiencing for last so many years. But I am sure that this is a very temporary phase, and we will come back strongly in the third quarter and fourth quarter itself.
Okay. The market, a lot of analysts are betting on a few new products that you're about to launch, where the pricing is expected to be very, very competitive as compared to the other peers and the similar kind of products. What segments of business would these new products come in the second half? And what could be the pricing difference that you're looking at that will get you the traction?
So we have already launched very competitive products, especially in the protection segment in the first month of this quarter itself. There are products on the YONO platform of State Bank of India, and there are also protection product for the market, which is for super HNIs, and that is very competitively priced. I don't think there is any further correction in that pricing is possible. Having said that, in the non-par segment also, in the month of December, we will be coming out with a product which much better rates.
Okay. So I think December, if you come out with new products in the non-par segment, in the fourth quarter is when that will start reflecting initially in your balance sheet as well in terms of the premium growth coming from that side. For the year, what kind of numbers do you expect clearly in terms of individual numbers on the premium growth side, VNB growth side and the margin side?
So on the premium growth, after the end of second quarter, when we had our quarterly result, and we had projected 15 to 17% of kind of growth for the entire year. So we will stick by that, and we will see how it pans out. As far as margins are concerned, we have been range bound in 26 to 28% kind of margin, and we are sure that with the new pricing and with the new sales, we will stick to that.
Okay. One final question. Surrender value regulations will start showing up as far as the third quarter, the coming quarter is concerned. You had said that the impact won't be more than 50 basis points as far as the margins are concerned. Two-part question. Do you still stick to the fact that the impact won't be more than 50 basis points? And B, 26 to 28%, is that including the impact of the surrender value guideline?
Yes, it is including the impact of the surrender value guidelines, and we will see that how this new surrender norm, the surrender value in the first year itself, how it pans out. That is something new for the industry, and we will see that how numbers come out, and it will take definitely some time. I mean, it has recently been implemented. Correct. So at least 1 year experience is needed to see what kind of real effect is on the industry.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to us, and thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure to host you today, and I'll let you enjoy the day. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Slightly lackluster volumes compared to last few days.